So with Unreal 5.4 and the Harmonics plugin, Epic provide the new Fusion sampler, which you can use inside MetaSounds quite easily. Just pop it up and you use your Fusion sampler, and the Fusion sampler has a bunch of patches. Now Epic already provide a few. You can, if you don't see them, you need to make sure that your show plugin content checkbox is checked. And in order to play, you just need a MIDI player, which gets a MIDI file which you can drag into Unreal really quickly, connect the MIDI stream, and in order to actually get it to play, you need this node, trigger to transport, trigger to music transport, and let's just connect it quickly to on play, but of course you can connect it to anything else you may want. And we need to connect the audio. I only have, let's change it to stereo real quick. Stereo, there we go, and that's it. I just need to play. And we need to select the patch, of course. That's it. We select, let's select one of the Epic ones, and cool. And it's only playing one track because there is only one track per Fusion sampler. But okay. So now, in order to create new patches, Epic let you do it from clicking on a bunch of waves, but the purpose of this video is to show the feature of the unDAW plugin. And basically you can go to any website such as pianobook.com or whatever and download SFZ patches. Extract them somewhere, which I'm doing. Extract. Cool. And SFZ patches are basically, they're a sound font. It's a text file that describes sure. No. Yes. Okay, so basically it's a text file that describes a sample, so like a sample bank, so it's a pretty easy translation into the Fusion patch. So in the unDAW plugin you can just drag it in. It gives you some options. I think this instrument is meant to be played as layers, and there we have it. So now if we go back to the metal sound, we can select the kalimba, and there we have the kalimba. The unDAW plugin currently also supports DS presets from the Decent sampler. Exactly the same, you drag them into the app, and it has a little bit more going. If you want to actually set up a bigger MIDI scene with all of the instruments as well, you can select the Fusion patches and all of that stuff. But one of the things that was obvious in the file that we just played was that we only played one track. So using the MetaSound builder, we can, with a few clicks, I'll make it fewer, save. I need to give it a new name. So we save it, and actually at this point we already have a new MetaSound loaded into our scene. There it is, and it looks a bit messy because the MetaSound builder is a little it just places the notes wherever you want, and you need to call other functions, but everything is connected, and when we play, it plays all of the tracks. And what's even nicer is that everything is now loaded to the scene and plays, and is already synced to all of the MIDI outputs. Hessick, Playwright, and more to come.